Your vehicle has a traditional glove box compartment. To open it, pull this handle and lower the lid. When you want to lock or unlock the glove box, use your mechanical key. For the safety of your glove box contents, the intelligent key cannot be used to unlock the glove box. Your console storage box is located between the front seats. To open the console box, pull up on the latch and open the lid. If so equipped, there is also a console box located between the second row seats. To remove the box, first remove this panel. Then, pull up on this lever and lift the console box to remove. There are cup holders and bottle holders located conveniently throughout the vehicle. There is additional storage available beneath the cargo area floor. To access the floor storage area, open the liftgate. Then pull up on the strap to lift the luggage board. Nissan strategically placed D-rings and hooks throughout the cargo area. Use these hooks and D-rings to secure all cargo with ropes or straps. There are also a variety of storage bins, trays, and mat pockets located throughout the vehicle. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.